There's all sorts of combinations, all kinds of variations. So let's do a demonstration, see how we can make 10. There's all sorts of combinations, all kinds of variations. So let's do a demonstration, see how we can make 10.
Little jumping jack, jump, 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 try to...
Baby bear walked in and said, "Oi, did you eat my magic porridge?" Georgie said, "Yes." Baby bear said, "That was magic porridge." And then it's the end.
Huffy? Hey, brilliant!
Stop rubber! Stop rubber!
My brother Marty said the Gigantosaurus is the hardest one to get. It took him ages. I know. Does she know it's only spring? No, I don't think she knows that the leaves won't be falling off until... autumn?
Maybe Jack Sharp is asleep.
Huffy?
And one of them completely in the nude.
Yeah, that's right. And you know how they did it?
Take off with the clothes!
No.
If you could steal my men and my ship.
There's all sorts of combinations, all kinds of variations. So let's do a demonstration, see how we can make 10. There's all sorts of combinations, all kinds of variations. So let's do a demonstration, see how we can make 10.